Jason Glover, Dad's That Cook. I want to introduce a couple of my great buddies. Big Jim with his Big Jim's Barbecue. Made some poppers. These are awesome things. My buddy over here with Tres Agaves, Scott, who has incredible tequila, yummy stuff that we actually did a little partnering together, right? We did a little infusion. So Big Jim said, hey, I can do something with your tequila. I'm like, great, let's do it.
Well, what we did is we did a stuffed jalapeno pepper wrapped in bacon. We smoked it for an hour and a half.
What's inside that?
Yes.
It's sausage, cream cheese,
Cheese.
yellow cheese.
Yellow cheese.
I ended up putting a little bit of onions in there.
Yeah.
You can make your own aioli sauce. So the combination is going to be the mayonnaise paired with chili habanero sauce. And we put some tequila in there. Add just a little bit on the bottom of the shot glass.
I'm fired up.
He's already
I got
ready.
my little guy picked out. I want that one right there.
What's that one right there? Right there, Jim.
That's
the
the
one he
one
wants.
right there. So we go like
Oh, I like the presentation. If you've ever made poppers, we've had them. You either had them way too hot, where you pulled them right off the grill and they burnt your mouth off. Obviously, we let these sit for a little while, right? I've never had it with the aioli sauce like this. Well, let's give it a shot. Let's try it out.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here's to the popper and here's to the tequila.
And if you don't like all the mayonnaise, you can just...
Oh! So good. For you dads, we're gonna put this recipe up for you guys on Dad's That Cook. This is really simple to make. Your family, your friends, they're gonna want more of these. And I love this presentation with the shot glass. We'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook.